Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Align and Rise with Kiran. Today I want to share with you one of the most powerful universal truths, a law that holds the secret to how your reality is truly created. It's called the Law of Mentalism. The Law of Mentalism teaches us that all is mind, the universe is mental. This isn't just a philosophy. It's the foundation of creation itself. According to ancient Hermetic wisdom, the first law of the universe is the Law of Mentalism, which means that the entire universe is a manifestation of the divine mind. Just as an artist imagines before painting, or an architect envisions before building, the universe first imagines and then creates. And since you are a spark of that same divine mind, your thoughts are not just private whispers, they are creative commands. Think about that. Your mind is not in the universe. The universe is in your mind. When you hold a thought, you activate a vibration. When you hold that vibration with belief, emotion, and repetition, it starts forming your reality. The law of mentalism works through the law of correspondence. As within, so without. Your outer world mirrors your inner world. So if your inner world is full of doubt, fear, or lack, that's exactly what you'll see around you. But when your inner world is filled with faith, gratitude, and clarity, your outer world begins to align effortlessly. Most people think life happens to them. But mentalism teaches us life happens through us. When you wake up and consciously choose your thoughts, you're not reacting to reality. You're creating it. So ask yourself, what thoughts am I allowing today? Are they empowering or disempowering? Are they based on fear or faith? Because whatever dominates your mind will soon become your experience. Here's how you can use the law of mentalism every single day. Start your day with intention. Before touching your phone, speak your reality into existence. Today, everything flows with ease. I attract clarity, peace, and abundance. Guard your mental environment. Be selective with what you watch, read, and listen to. Your mind is sacred ground. Only plant thoughts that nourish your soul. Visualize with feeling. Don't just see your dream, feel it as if it's already here. The mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. It simply responds to your belief. And affirm your divine power. I am one with the divine mind. My thoughts create worlds. The law of mentalism is the ultimate reminder that you are not separate from the universe. You are a living expression of its consciousness. You are a creator in human form. Every moment is an opportunity to think higher, to feel deeper, and to create consciously. So today, rise above the noise of the world and return to the power within your own mind. Because when your mind aligns with divine truth, your reality becomes a masterpiece of light, love, and purpose. Remember, everything begins in the mind. So think wisely, feel deeply, and create consciously. This is the power of the law of mentalism. If this message awakens something within you, take a moment to pause and reflect on the kind of reality you're choosing to create with your thoughts, because you are far more powerful than you've ever been taught to believe. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Align and Rise with Kiran, a space where we awaken together, one truth at a time. Comment below and tell me, what new thought are you choosing to create your reality with today? I'd love to read your reflections and connect with your energy. Remember, beautiful soul, your mind is the sacred gateway to your universe. Keep it pure, keep it powerful, and keep it aligned with love. Until next time, stay conscious, stay radiant, and keep rising. Align and Rise with Kiran. Align and Rise with Kiran.